Alright, so today I'm installing diamond stitch carpet on my G35. I don't have the rears on right now, I took them off, but I'm gonna get this vacuumed up, cleaned up, and also the fronts. I'm gonna take these old ones off and vacuum it here, make it look nice. I decided to go with red and black since it matches the stitching here and the stitching on my seats. Again, if you guys are interested in any of these products like steering wheels, seats, harnesses, front bumpers, just about almost anything, I do have an Instagram page called @theplugsco, so I'll link it down in the description so you guys can follow it and check it out, and yeah, order stuff there. Shift knobs as well. So yeah, so let's get this car cleaned up and install this carpet. It's very easy, honestly, it doesn't take too long. So installing the rears, it's pretty easy. All you gotta do is throw it over your original carpet. It just tucks under the seats. It has grip, so it doesn't really slide around or move around. This has really good coverage. As you can see, it covers the sides, the bottom, and it's waterproof, so you can pull it out, clean it, or just wipe it down from the inside. Yeah, so let's start by installing this first, and then we'll work our way to the fronts. So this is how it looks in the rear now. Looks really nice, as you guys can see. Covers everything pretty nice. You can either tuck this in or leave it out, but I just chose to leave it out. This is the rear on the other side. And now to do the fronts. So I got the front on, all I did is throw it over. Another thing about this carpet is it is lightweight, so it isn't really heavy. What's cool is it comes with these little tabs, so you can put them wherever you like if you feel like it's too loose somewhere, and it slides right into the plastic and it holds kind of like this, for example. So you put one pin, obviously this is the outside part, so it looks nice, you know, and then this kind of goes over like this and it goes in like this, and it holds inside the plastic and it doesn't move. So it comes with a bag of them. You can place them wherever you feel like it's loose, and that should solve your problem. But this is how it looks. It looks really nice. As an example, I did put one here and it tucks under the plastic. Looks nice. These buttons do look very nice. And I put one here at the very edge. I'm gonna put one here, and it should hold like this. Other than that, it doesn't shake around or move around. It's pretty sturdy, doesn't move. And yeah, so I'm gonna do this to this side and then put the other one on the other side, and we should be good to go. So this is the end result. Honestly, I recommend this to anybody who has Infiniti Nissan out there. Great quality for the price, really easy to install, and yeah, I got different color options. So again, the link is in the description. Check it out, let me know what you need, I got you. So yeah, thanks for watching.